Okay, so if you've ever gone to package something up and they send you these strap, I don't know what they're, these kind of harness things. Basically, this is the way you do it. So you fold it so your tail part of this is up. Then you take your, whatever the thing is called, and you put it over the open end. And so you have all of like that. So it looks like that. We have that loop and it just loops over. And then you do the same thing with the other side. So then you take the other side and you put it through like that. So now you're all basically ready to go just like that. So what you can do, because a lot of people don't have, you know, this tensioner device, I don't think there's an expectation on the part of a lot of companies that people would have that. You just pull them as tight as you can pull. There you go. And that's going to get you where you need to be for most cases right there. Now I have one of these tensioners, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this in here. Basically, you just increase your tension. You can see it's tensioning through there. I'm not going to go too crazy with it. There you go. Cut the strap. I like to leave some slack on it because I don't want it to come apart somehow. There you go. Then you just cut it, boom, and you're done. That's it. That's all you have to do to use those. Pretty straightforward.